Hello, welcome back guys to Spot Area Channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to log into a Lightroom account on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Lightroom application and it will look like this. If you want to log into your account that you have before, you just have to choose you want to log in with your Adobe account, or if you want to log in or continue with your Apple account, your Google account, or your Facebook. So here I'm gonna log in with my Google account because I have created my account with my Google before. Tap on it like this. Now tap on continue. And now I'm gonna choose my account that I have created for my account on the Lightroom like this. Tap on it, and now we have to wait for a second. Now tap on continue again. So yeah, it's processing it guys. It will look like this if it is already logged into our account. Here you can see at the top right, this is my account. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.